Where the culinary world has transformed into a gadget paradise, the kitchen has become the heart of the home, but now it's also a playground for tech lovers and efficiency enthusiasts alike. Whether you're a master chef or a weekend cook, these must-have kitchen gadgets will revolutionize your time in the kitchen, making cooking easier, faster, and a lot more fun. And hey, your kitchen might even thank you for the upgrade. Number 10. Compact composting machines. Eco-friendly kitchen waste management. Sustainability is more than a trend, it's a lifestyle. Compact composting machines have become a must-have for eco-conscious home cooks. These little powerhouses turn your kitchen waste into compost at lightning speed, helping reduce landfill contributions while providing nutrient-rich material for your garden. With advanced odor control and energy-efficient processes, these machines are designed to make composting easier than ever. Imagine transforming your vegetable peels, coffee grounds, and eggshells into gold for your garden in just a few days without the smell. Plus, they take up very little space, so even those in apartments or smaller homes can enjoy the benefits of composting without the hassle. Number 9. Silicone cooking utensils. High-temperature heroes. Silicone cooking utensils have long been a staple in kitchens, but the 2024 models have upped their game. These utensils are designed to withstand higher temperatures, making them ideal for cooking everything from delicate sauces to high-heat stir-fry dishes. They're not only incredibly durable, but also gentle on your non-stick pans, so you won't have to worry about scratching up your cookware. Their non-stick nature also makes cleaning a breeze, meaning you spend less time scrubbing and more time enjoying your meal. And let's not forget their versatility, they're perfect for flipping, stirring, and serving. In short, they're the kitchen sidekick you didn't know you needed. Number 8. Smart water bottles. Stay hydrated, stay healthy. In this year, even your water bottle can be smart. Gone are the days of guessing how much water you've drunk throughout the day. The latest smart water bottles track your hydration levels, remind you to drink, and sync with your smartphone for real-time updates. These bottles are perfect for health-conscious individuals who need a gentle nudge to stay hydrated. Beyond their practical functionality, smart water bottles come in sleek designs that make them just as fashionable as they are useful. Whether you're hitting the gym or just spending time in the kitchen, these bottles ensure you stay on top of your hydration game without missing a beat. Number 7. Kitchen One Cordless 4-in-1 Immersion Blender, a space-saving marvel. When it comes to versatility, the Kitchen One Cordless 4-in-1 Immersion Blender is an absolute game changer. This gadget combines a blender, food chopper, whisk, and even a can opener all in one compact device. If you're tired of cluttering your countertops with multiple small appliances, this handy tool will save you space and time. The cordless design is especially useful for moving around your kitchen without being tethered to an outlet. Imagine whipping cream directly at the stovetop, then quickly switching to blending a soup all with the same device. It's perfect for small kitchens and for those who love to multitask while cooking. And did I mention that it's also dishwasher safe? Cleanup is a breeze too. Number 6. Tabletop S'mores Maker. Sweet nostalgia anytime. Why limit s'mores to camping trips when you can enjoy them year-round in the comfort of your own home? The Housewise Tabletop S'mores Maker brings the campfire experience indoors, allowing you to roast marshmallows and make s'mores whenever the craving strikes. This gadget is perfect for parties or cozy nights at home, turning any gathering into a nostalgic and delicious experience. The smokeless design means you won't have to deal with the hassle of setting up a fire pit, and it's compact enough to fit on any table. Whether you're entertaining guests or just want a sweet treat, this s'mores maker adds a fun and unique touch to your kitchen arsenal. Number 5. Sous vide cookers. Restaurant quality meals at home. If you've ever wanted to cook like a gourmet chef, the Precision Sous Vide Cookers of 2024 are your ticket to restaurant quality meals at home. Sous vide cooking involves sealing your food in a vacuum bag and cooking it in a water bath at a precise temperature, ensuring perfect results every time. Whether you're cooking tender steaks, juicy chicken, or even perfectly cooked eggs, this gadget takes the guesswork out of cooking. The 2024 models come with smartphone connectivity, allowing you to monitor and control the cooking process remotely. Imagine impressing your dinner guests with a flawlessly cooked meal that rivals any fine dining establishment, all thanks to this smart kitchen gadget. Number 4. Bamboo cutting boards. Eco-friendly and stylish. Cutting boards are essential in any kitchen, but bamboo cutting boards take things up a notch. Not only are they eco-friendly, but they're also naturally antibacterial and incredibly durable. The 2024 models are even more impressive, with built-in juice grooves that prevent spills and make them perfect for carving meats or serving up a charcuterie board. These cutting boards are also gentler on your knives, helping them stay sharp longer. Plus, they look stunning on your countertop. Who says practicality can't be stylish? Whether you're chopping vegetables or serving up a spread of cheeses, these bamboo boards are as functional as they are beautiful. Number 3. Electric peelers. Because nobody likes peeling potatoes, let's face it, peeling fruits and vegetables is one of the least enjoyable parts of cooking. Enter the 2024 electric peeler, a game-changing gadget that takes the hassle out of this tedious task. With adjustable settings for different peel thicknesses, this device makes peeling quick, consistent, and effortless, saving you precious time in the kitchen. Whether you're prepping a mountain of potatoes for a big family dinner or just peeling an apple for a snack, this peeler ensures a perfect result every time, without the uneven patches or waste that can come from manual peeling. Ergonomically designed for maximum comfort, this gadget prevents hand strain, even during lengthy prep sessions, making it a lifesaver for those with arthritis or anyone who spends a lot of time in the kitchen. With its rechargeable battery, the electric peeler is always ready to go when you need it, providing convenience at your fingertips. This is truly the kitchen helper you never knew you needed until now. That is, and once you try it, you'll wonder how you ever lived without it. Number 2. High-speed blenders. More than just smoothies. Blenders have come a long way, and the high-speed blenders of 2024 are more powerful and versatile than ever before. These machines are no longer just for smoothies. They can grind, chop, and even heat soups, making them a multifunctional powerhouse in the kitchen. With advanced motor technology and ultra-durable blades, these blenders can tackle even the toughest ingredients, from fibrous greens to hard nuts, ensuring smooth and consistent results every time. If you're looking for a gadget that can replace multiple appliances in your kitchen, this is it. Whether you're whipping up silky sauces, pulverizing nuts into butter, or creating your favorite smoothies, high-speed blenders are designed to handle it all with ease. And with the added functionality of heating, these blenders are perfect for those cold winter nights when you crave something warm and comforting, like a homemade soup or sauce. Number 1. Multi-cookers. The Swiss Army knife of the kitchen. At the top of our list is the multi-cooker, a kitchen gadget that truly does it all. The 2024 models are more versatile and efficient than ever, combining pressure cooking, slow cooking, steaming, air frying, and more into one sleek and convenient device. Imagine making a hearty stew in the slow cooker, followed by crispy fries using the air fryer function, all with the same machine. These multi-cookers are not only space-saving, but also time-saving, transforming meal prep from a chore into a quick and easy process. With their programmable settings, you can simply set it and forget it, while built-in safety features ensure that everything cooks perfectly without the need for constant supervision. Whether you're an experienced chef or a beginner, the multi-cooker is the ultimate kitchen tool, providing versatility, convenience, and peace of mind all in one. And there you have it. If you enjoyed this video and want more tips on turning your kitchen into a gadget wonderland, hit that like button, subscribe, and ring the notification bell. Because let's be real, the only thing more satisfying than using a smart water bottle is staying smart and hydrated with all our future videos.